Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 85th algorithm video. In this question that I have taken from LeetCode, we are given a list of numbers and we are required to find out triplets whose sum is equal to 0. So basically we would be using the concept of pointers. I would be using two pointers and I would name it as left pointer and right pointer. The left pointer would start from the left side and the right pointer would start at the extreme end of the list. So basically we would be fixed at one position and we would be iterating through the list, and with that keeping in mind, we would be sliding the left pointer and the right pointer to help us find out the triplets whose sum is equal to that of 0. Now first I would like to explain to you how the pseudocode would work. This is the unsorted array -1, 0, 1, 2, -1 and -4. I have sorted it, right? So now I would be explaining to you how the pseudocode would work. I would make three columns: number we are currently at, number at left pointer, number at right pointer. So basically we would start from this number. Our first iteration would be, we would start with -4 number. The left pointer would be one number ahead of the number we are currently at, so it would be -1, and the number at right pointer would be the end number, it would be 2. So -4 -1 is -5, -5 plus 2 is -3. So since -3 is less than 0, we have not found our triplet, so we would go to our next iteration, and since it was less than 0, this -3 was less than 0, we would move our left pointer one number ahead. So the number we currently are at, -4, left pointer shifts from -1 to this number, again -1, and right pointer stays the same, it is 2. Again this is -3, so left pointer would shift one number ahead. So at the third iteration, the number we currently are at, -4, the number at left pointer would be 0, it has shifted, and the right pointer number stays the same. So the sum is -2. Again we have not found a triplet and the number is less than 0, so again we shift the left pointer number by one point. So the number we are currently at is -4, the left pointer has shifted towards 1 and the right pointer number is still at 2. So the number all the sum is equal to -1. We can't shift left anymore further because the left pointer should always be the right pointer. Left pointer can't exceed or be equivalent to right pointer. So we have not found our triplet as of yet, so we go to the fifth iteration. Now we are going to change the number we are currently at, we are going to shift towards -1. The left pointer number would be -1, it is one number ahead of the number that we are currently at, and the right pointer number would be 2, it would be 2. So -1, -1, -2, -2 plus 2 is 0. So we have found our current triplet. This is one triplet, -1, -1 and 2. Since we have found our triplet, we would shift the left pointer number by one number and we would shift the right pointer number by one number. So the number we are currently at is -1. We are here, the left pointer would shift towards 0 and the right pointer number would also change, it would go towards 1. So again the sum is equal to 0. So we have found two triplets. Now we are here -1, the left pointer is here and the right pointer is here. We can't go any further with this number because even though we have found a triplet, the left pointer can't shift and the right pointer can't shift because then they were overlap. So we would have to change the number that we currently at. We would go to this number again, -1. So if we are here, the left pointer would be at 0 and the right pointer would be at 2. So the sum would be +1. So since sum is +1, we have not found a triplet, and in the next iteration we would shift the right pointer to another number and we would fix the left pointer. So the right pointer would shift towards 1. So this is a triplet. -1, 0, 1 is a triplet because it gives the sums of 0. But you need to take notice that this is a duplicate triplet element that we found, because previously at 6th iteration we have found that -1, 0 and 1 gives us 0 answer, and here -1, 0 and 1 also gives us a 0 answer. But the question requires that we do not give any duplicate triplets, so this is to be ignored. Now we are here -1, 0 and 1. We can't go any further, so we would go to and change our number that we currently at. We would go to the 9th iteration. The number that we currently at is at 0. The left pointer would point towards 1 and the right pointer would be at 2. So the sum would be 3. So basically we have not found our triplet. This is the answer: -1, -1, 2 and -1, 0 and 1. So this is how the pseudocode would work. Now let's get back to making the algorithm. Okay, now this is the list of numbers that was given to us in the questions. First we would sorted list is equal to, we would use the sorted function and pass in the nums list. Then I would make a blank list of list triplets. Then I would make use of the for loop. For I in range, it would start from the 0 index and it would end at len of nums -2. Why -2? Because we are finding triplets, so we should iterate through the nums list till here. We should not go at the second last number or the last number, because the second last number and the last number would be the pointers. For example, when we reach this index, this index would be the left pointer and this index would be the right pointer. So we should iterate through the list only through the third last index. Now we initialize the variables of left pointer and right pointer. Left pointer is equal to I plus 1 and right pointer is equal to len of nums -1. Now I would make use of the while loop while left pointer is less than right pointer. Why? Because left pointer index should always be less than the right pointer, and the while loop should only break when it is equal or greater than the right pointer. Then I would make the variable of sum, and sum would be equal to sorted list I plus sorted list left pointer plus sorted list right pointer. Now if sum is equal to 0, first we would check if because we have found out that the sum is equal to 0, so we have found out the triplet, but we need to first check out whether the triplet that we have found, whether it has already been appended to the list triplets. If it has already been appended into the list triplets, we would ignore it and just move the left pointer by one number and the right pointer by one number and continue with the next iteration. So if sorted list I, sorted list left pointer and sorted list right pointer in list triplets, so we would move the left pointer by one number. For example, if the left pointer was here, so we would move the left pointer here, and if the right pointer was here, we would move the right pointer here, and right pointer is equal to -1. We would decrease the index of right pointer by -1 and we would increase the index of left pointer by 1, and we would continue with the next iteration. However, if the triplet that we found is not there in the list triplets, we would append that triplet into the list triplets and we would repeat these steps again. Else list triplets dot append sorted list I, sorted list left pointer, sorted list right pointer, and we would increase the index of left pointer by 1 and decrease the index of right pointer by 1. Now this was the case if the sum was equal to 0. However, if we have found out that the sum is less than 0, then we would increase the left pointer index by 1. Why is that? Because you know that we have sorted out the list. We have sorted out the list, and if the sum is less than 0, then we would be required to move the left pointer towards the right side, because those are increasing numbers. So to increase the sum from negative to positive, we would need to shift the left pointer towards the right side. However, if the sum is greater than 0, then we would decrease the right pointer by 1, because if the sum is greater than 0, so we would be required that the sum should decrease. So if we shift the right pointer towards the left side, so sum would decrease. So I repeat, if the sum is less than 0, that is it is negative, so in order to make it closer to 0 or to 0, we would shift the left pointer towards the right side from left to right. And if the sum is greater than 0, so in order to make the sum closer to 0 or equal to 0, we would be required to shift the right pointer from right to left. Now at the end, we would print out the list triplets. So this is our answer. -1 and 2 is equal to 0. -1 minus 2, sum is -2, -2 plus 2 is 0, and -1 plus 1 is also equals to 0. And as I had explained to you in the pseudocode, -1, 0, 1, there was a duplicate value, so we have also avoided it by using this if condition. Now if I change the question to 0, 0, 0, so this is our only answer. And if I change the number to so 0, 1, 1 gives us no triplets whose sum is equal to 0. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.